The deep clean is finally done. The guys at Glowride did an amazing job. Check it out. It's like she's brand new. All the grime and everything has been washed out. Just look at these details. She's been restored to her glory days. Look at that shine. The headlights have been polished. She is squeaky clean. The black paneling has been buffed out. Even her badge looks brand new. A job well done. We're going to upgrade her. We're going to make her amazing. Join us in the next episode. All right. On the sleeping area at the back. And then the roof rack and the LED lights. Let's go!